Hello everyone, we are here to introduce a new segment, Weekly Scoop with Ocean Finvest, where we bring you interesting insights on anything from markets to macros, basically not just numbers, but we'll share the bigger picture. Today, let's talk about retail investors, the real game changers, of which most of them are none other than our very own middle class powerhouse. For years, India's middle class has been told to work hard, save money and play it safe, as if building wealth was some VIP club jahan pe they were not invited to. Well, guess what? The middle class has just crashed the party, and now Indian government सिर्फ देख नहीं रही, but it's actually handing them the keys. The 2025 Union Budget, also known as the Middle Class Budget, ने एक चीज तो क्लियर कर दी है. If India wants to hit 7% GDP growth, middle class investor ही हमारी front seat पर drive करने वाले. Because let's be real, without money in their hands, who's going to fuel SIPs, drive consumption, or keep the markets booming? And the government saw this wave and pushed it further. Income tax cuts, financial literacy initiatives, all of these are making sure that the middle class isn't just working hard, but making their money work harder. I'll give you one figure, 66.93 lakh crore. Yes, that's the size of India's mutual fund industry now, up from 50.7 lakh crore in December 2023. Basically कहे तो Sweden का GDP in our backyard. And ये कोई short term trend नहीं है, because every month, on an average, we are observing approximately 22,000 crore in the form of SIPs. And investors aren't just testing the waters, because SIP के durations have also jumped from 3.2 years in 2020 to 4.8 years in 2024. मतलब they are actually parking their savings and hoping for long-term gains. And ये सिर्फ एक numbers game नहीं है, it's a financial revolution. The middle class, once obsessed with gold and land, where 65% of India's wealth was locked up, is now shifting to mutual funds and equities. Why? Because real estate demands heavy ticket size, जबकि mutual funds let you start at just 500 rupees. The math is very simple, but the impact is massive. Also, with 12 million new Demat accounts in a year, plus 30 lakh fresh accounts every month, let's just say India's middle class isn't just earning and saving anymore, they are calling the shots. ये बजट ने middle class investors को सिर्फ support ही नहीं किया, बल्कि it has institutionalized them. The smart money is shifting from land to liquid assets, from slow gains to compounding growth. For decades, India's middle class was the backbone of the economy, but today they are also the financial brain. They are not just passive savers anymore, they are the real market movers.